Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I'm very excited to bring to you a DECO mesh wreath made out of one roll of mesh. Isn't this beautiful? I'm so excited to share with you step-by-step directions so you can make one too. So budget friendly. Make sure you press thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me some of the sunflower emojis, and let's get started. We are going to need one wreath ring, 14 inches from the Dollar Tree, one roll of mesh, 10 by 30. This one is actually 12 by 35. It might be from Michael's, but usually the standard is 10 by 30. And I also have this adorable sign from one of my besties. I'm not sure where she purchased it, but I looked online and I found it at an Etsy shop. If you like to get the same thing, it's actually on sale right now. Also, you are going to need 18 pipe cleaners. My pipe cleaners come from the Dollar Tree. As you know, the wreath ring comes with 4 rails. And first we are going to attach a pipe cleaner to the 2 inner rails and twist tie it. And then we are going to attach 2 pipe cleaners to the 2 outer rails, just like so. Twist tie it 2 times. One more. So we have 3 pipe cleaners per section, and the wreath has 6 sections. So we are going to do 18 pipe cleaners all the way around, just like this. So this is how you make a work wreath form. You can also buy one at a craft store already made for you, but it costs so much more. So that's why I always make these out of Dollar Tree items. And now a very easy technique. This wreath is just one roll like I already mentioned. We are going to use a 10 by 10 cardboard, or you can use a ruler for your measurements. First, we are going just to pinch the end together and tie it down to one of the ties. We are going to start with the outside rails. Simply twist tie your mesh a few times. Next, we are going to measure 10 inches of mesh. I'm going to use my cardboard as a measuring tool. You are going to gather it up like this, pinch, bring it to the next tie, like make a little poof, and tie it there at the 10-inch mark, okay? There you go. And we will continue making these little poofs all the way around. Real easy. 10 inches, pinch, drop your mesh on the floor. It's going to make it easier. Hold it and tie it at the next tie. And let's continue. You see how easy it is? It's a great method even for a beginner crafter who's never worked on DECO mesh before. Just try to make your poofs more or less the same size. And we continue just tying these poofs all the way around. And I'll show you what happens when you reach the end. Okay, here we have the last poof. We are going to use the same twist tie like before. Remember where we started? We just add this one on top. Ta-da! We got a full circle. And now for the inner circle, we want to make smaller poofs. I have an 8 by 8 cardboard here. We are going to measure 8 inches and move up to the inner pipe cleaner and twist tie it there. Measure the next one, 8 inches. Of course, you can use your ruler. This is easier for me. And I continue making 8-inch poofs all the way around the inner circle. Okay, and here is the last poof. I tie it down, and here is all the remaining mesh that I have left over. We are gonna cut and attach it over there as well, so you don't see that ending. All right, let's take a look. So unfortunately, my mesh is very thin. It's so see-through. But if you're working with better quality mesh, this will already be enough. The good thing is that we have still a lot left over. So what I'm gonna do is cut in 10-inch pieces. And that way we're going to have little curls. Let me show you. You see, each 10-inch square, it curls up because the closer you get to the tube, your mesh curls up like that, right? So we are going to separate all the pieces and get all these cute curls. We're gonna attach these on top. That will help us fill in the wreath and also add more interest texture. Let me show you. Simply find a midpoint, pinch, and twist tie your curl. And depending on how many you have, you can attach these either, every other twist tie or, in a zigzag pattern. Spread them throughout the wreath, okay? And take a look. Doesn't it look fuller and so much more interesting, right? I love it. Are you my bestie yet? Why not? Go ahead, press thumbs up, subscribe, and that way we're gonna be in touch. Oh, can't wait. Now let's grab some color coordinating ribbons. This is Hobby Lobby Michael's Dollar Tree. I cut mine to 12 inches long pieces. 12 pieces here for the outside of the wreath. Fold your ribbon in half, pinch, make like a V shape, and twist tie it to your wreath. We are going to tie these all the way around the outer circle. And again, fold the ribbon in half, pinch in the middle, make a V shape, and tie it down. We are going to alternate the colors. All right, and now buffalo check. Fold, pinch in the middle, make a V shape, and attach it right next to it. As you recall, we had 12 twist ties on the outer circle, right? And we are going to repeat this pattern 4 more times, 3 more times, for the total of 12. Ta-da! Look how much cuter, so much color, right? I love it. And now let's see when we add the sign in the center. As you can see, the sign is not that big. We need to attach ribbons in the inner circle as well. Sometimes when you have a larger sign, you don't need the ribbons on the inner circle. But here we definitely do. So cut 6 more ribbons. We have 2 of each color using the same ribbons. And it's the same idea. Find a midpoint pinch and just twist tie it. All right. And now we are going to repeat the pattern. And there you go. Look how nice and full that looks. Now your eye rests on these pretty ribbons. You don't see the cheap mesh anymore. And we're going to attach the sign in the center. It's just gonna be perfect. But first, let's cut down our pipe cleaners. I just tie it a couple more times and cut them off and press it down so they're not showing. And we gotta do it all the way around. Okay, and here you can see nice and neat, just little yellow dots in there, barely noticeable. That's why I always like to match my pipe cleaner. But if you can't, you will cover them up eventually because we always add a little something, something, right? Extra. So this is how it looks. Nice and full. And now in the center, we will add a sign. And we find some coordinating flowers. So I have some sunflowers here. Red mums from the Dollar Tree. These are actually fall season, but match perfectly. And you always want some greenery as well. We are going to attach the sign with a little bit of floral wire. There are 2 holes at the top and bottom of my sign. And just thread your wire through the mesh and tie it down from the inside. First, I tie my sign loosely, and then I tighten it as I make sure it's centered correctly. All right, looks good. Now we can add our flowers, starting with the largest ones, the sunflowers. My sign still feels loose over here. I'm going to reinforce it with some hot glue. All right. Yeah, you can always try the placement of the flowers before you glue it. Okay, and now the red mums. I'll just spread these around the outer circle. Let's see, something like this. I also have these small yellow flowers from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna alternate them around here too. And now the eucalyptus, I'm going to cut it to smaller pieces and just fill in any holes that I see. All right, I think this is good. I filled in all the holes. What? We don't have a cherry on top? Okay, how about little butterfly? I just don't remember where they could be from. $2.79 a price tag there. Maybe Michael's? Let's try the yellow one. It is a perfect color match, right? It's almost like we need something right here, right? Yeah, it's too plain. Right there. All right, let's dip it in glue. Oh, dripping, dripping everywhere. Kathy! That's what I do. That's what I do. Glue strings, of course, because the glue cooled off already. That part you learned from me. Don't do it, okay? Wait for your glue to warm up. Like we always say, life is better with a cherry on top, right? Thank you so much for watching, my bestie. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your bestie, all right? Help YouTube notice me a little bit more, because for some reason my views have been down, and yeah, besties complain that they don't see my videos in recommendations anymore. That's so sad. I hope you can help me with that. Thanks so much again. Take care. Bye-bye. I found the bees. I thought I was out of the bees. So we gotta add a bee. Since it's sunflower wishes and honeybee kisses. Yes. I don't know. Do we like honeybee kisses? I love the bees, but they don't have to kiss me. No. Let's stick one in there. This comes with a sticker. I hope Dollar Tree brings more of the bees though, right? Because this is last pack. And we will stick it. Of course, you need to reinforce with hot glue because that sticker won't hold up. Oh, so cute. So cute, so cute. One is enough. Just a little cherry on top. And that's really it for today. Thanks again, my bestie. See you next time. Bye-bye.